All right, thanks for joining us on Valley News Live. We begin with a look at that camera out there in the Grand Forks area. It's just been nonstop lightning up there, and these are some heavy rain producing thunderstorms across the area as well, lighting up the skies with cloud to ground strikes. And you get the ones that are from cloud to cloud that never make their way down to the ground, but they've been branching across our camera. We'll check back with it throughout the broadcast. First and foremost, here is the little ribbon of thunderstorm activity that extends right along the Highway 2 corridor, Grand Forks to Crookston and Fisher, basically skirting also that Red Lake Falls area. We have in southern parts of Otter Tail County a few showers, but not much going on there with thunder and lightning. How much rainfall has fallen? Well, the radar scans all day, all night, and it can estimate how much rain has fallen in locations. This is handy because between rain gauges that we have that might be several miles apart, we can get an idea where pockets of very heavy rain have fallen. Grand Forks in and around your area, estimates are around an inch or so. But if we take a look here near Northwood, close to 3 inches estimated by the Doppler radar, as storms have done what we call training, one after the other of passing showers and storms in and around the FM area. Estimates are 1/3 of an inch. Here's the thunder and lightning taking place right over Grand Forks right now, sliding slowly across the southern reaches of town, heading right into and through the Fisher area and Crookston. It's on the way to you. You're probably getting a nice show to the north. Red Lake Falls has seen a lot of activity skirting the area throughout the evening. Looking up to Bagley and southward toward the Pine Point area there near Hubbard County, we're seeing showers and thunderstorms. That's all that's left really of our activity. Little pimple on the radar here crossing over near the Georgetown area. Had a couple of strikes of lightning north of the FM area, but another look at what's taking place there in the Grand Forks area as the heavy rain and the lightning in the sky continues. First alert weather day for tomorrow for the beginning of a heat wave. Not all of us will have triple-digit heat indices tomorrow, but some of us will, particularly in the south. Check this out for Fargo. Heat indices kiss 100 degrees on your Friday, and after that, we're rising well up into that for our afternoon peak temperatures with humidity that will be on the high side. It'll be tough for ourselves to cool off, so beat the heat. Remember, plenty of fluids. Drink lots of it. Stay away from overexerting yourself in the peak heating time of the day. Wear that loose-fitting clothing. Make sure you're putting sunscreen on as well. You don't want to deal with a sunburn. That can actually help your core temperature go up a little faster as well. Shade, a cold shower, all these things can help you cool off. And remember those signs of heat exhaustion and heat stroke. And never, ever, ever leave a child or a animal in your car. Even at 90 degrees for temperature, we can see it get up over 120 degrees in less than 30 minutes. Dangerous indeed. Right now, Hector International, 69 degrees, 70 degrees at Moorheads Airport. Wind, whispering at 3 miles per hour. Dew points are in the sticky 60s right now. It's humid out there. We have a lot of temperatures in the yellow in the 60s. Oranges are 70s. It's still 80 degrees in both Marshall, Minnesota and Aberdeen, South Dakota, as the hot weather and the humid weather remains in place down south. So here's your hour-by-hour forecasted, updated from earlier tonight. Just pimples on the radar tonight will continue to spread eastward and then out of here. We may continue to see storms fester up from time to time, but their severity will be, I think, below severe criteria, the way things have been all evening and all afternoon. Fog, a problem in the morning. 60s for all, light wind. The fog, well, it evaporates as that sun comes out as we go into the mid-morning hours and temperatures begin to rise fairly quickly. The wind will be light, it'll be northerly early, and then be pretty calm in the afternoon. That, with the sunshine, will allow us to be in the upper 80s in our southern counties. The Red River Valley counties seeing many mid-80s and 80s for most in central Minnesota. So your planning forecast as we look in on Grand Forks one last time. Well, first we'll take an enjoyable look at some hitchhikers here. Pam Shaw capturing this loon family out for a way to cool off in the waters here in Minnesota. All right, first alert weather day Friday. It's going to be hot and it's going to stay hot. Thunder on Saturday is possible. Sunday looks dry. Look at those temperatures Sunday and Monday though, mid-90s. Heat indices that will be ridiculous. And there's not really a lot of relief in sight till we get past Tuesday. Our best chance of storms Monday night and into Tuesday. Some of those could be strong. We'll keep you posted. Stay cool and have your weather app handy.
It's mid-July, so we expect heat, but even for mid-July, this is hot.
This is hot, and actually the rain today, not a bad deal after a stretch of weather like this behind us here.
It's a good idea. Thanks, Hutch. After the